Hello again folks, and welcome back. Now, so far we've learned to write to files on our computer, but today I want to show us how we make something called a CSV file. A CSV file is what's known as a comma separated values file, or basically a spreadsheet. You can put data into an Excel file and it will open in Excel quite happily. So how do we do that? Well, let's have a go. The first thing we have to do is import the CSV library, which we've learned how to do already. So just type import, if I can spell import that would be good, CSV. I then need to open the file. So I say file as a new variable called file, open, and then open brackets, and then I want to give a file, I'm going to write to you a name. So I'm going to call my one 38-singers.text, and that should appear there. And I want to write to it, so like last time I had to put a W in there for reading and writing to files. Okay, and that's there. The file is now open and ready to be used. Now, because we're making a CSV file, we now need to start using the CSV library's features to write this as a proper CSV file or spreadsheet. So we make a second variable called writer, and then writer equals, and then we have to use the CSV library on the computer. So writer equals csv.writer, and then open brackets, we're going to be writing to the file we just opened, and the computer will know the line has finished or terminated, terminator, when it sees a new line. For now, just type /n. Don't worry too much about what that means. If you want to know more, ask me later in class. Okay, so single bracket, there we are, done, nice and easy. Right, incidentally guys, I made a small mistake. Module names are always lowercase. Okay, there we are, now those have gone, beautiful. So now I want to put two singers into my spreadsheet. I want to use writer dot write row, and then I need to put this in square brackets. So square brackets, I'm going to start with, I think, a pretty good singer, Ed Sheeran. And I'm going to put his age in as well, and according to Wikipedia, he's 26. Then I am going to do the same and put another row in there. So you can see two lines sitting there ready and waiting to go. So I'll copy that, new line, paste it, but I don't want Ed Sheeran again, that's a bit dull. I'm going to go for Ariana Grande, a very healthy young lady. Ariana Grande, and according to Wikipedia, she is now 24 years old. So there we go. We have now made opened the file, and we have told the computer we want to make a CSV file, and these are two lines we want to put in it. Okay, and now, as always, good guys, good practice, close the file. So file close, open close brackets. Here we are. And now, if I run this, fingers crossed, nothing will happen. There we are, nothing's happened here. But if you see here where the mouse is, there's a file here called 38singers.text. And if you look inside that file, you will see both Ed Sheeran, 26, and Ariana Grande, 24, right in there. And this file, guys, if you name it CSV rather than .text, you can open and see in Excel. Okay, so I will leave you now to have a play with writing CSV files, and I will see you again in the next video. Best of British.